Welcome to Blackjack Special.
Yes, sir. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Blackjack Special. Back with another video for you guys. So today is about the Civic, alright? SI content today. I'm gonna go meet up with my boy Lukey. He has a STI. I'm gonna link up with him and a couple of his boys. I believe one of them have a SI. Roll the window up so we can hear. I believe one of them has an SI and Type R, some other cars. So we'll see how it goes, alright? Yeah. I'm at the spot right now. I'm at my boy's place. About to go for a little drive, you know what I'm saying? It's sunny out here right now. Let me show you my boy's whip. Shee! Clean. Quick walk around for you guys. Thing is crazy, guys. Crazy. You guys are not playing. Shee! He's not playing. There's some nice wheels on there too. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you this guy's his friend's Type R. Oh, look at this fucking thing. Damn. Oh my god, look at this thing. Look at the fucking exhaust. Look at the size of this fucking pipe, guys. Massive. Gee. Really nice, really nice. So sick. Proper wheels. A quick walk around, show you guys what we're dealing with. Damn. I'm coming with my car fully stock. These guys are like fucking arrow out like crazy right now. On my cars, look at my SI is like stock as fuck right now. Look at these guys. Yo, crazy. Type R's looking crazy right now, guys. But yeah, so we're gonna go try and get some gas. And then we're gonna make a move, you know, get on the road, get some videos and stuff for you guys. Guys are getting some gas right now. Yeah, guys, now I want to modify my car because I'm the only one with like a stock car right now. These guys are like modded out, you know. But yeah, I can't even hear my car, guys. Honestly, that's how loud these guys' cars are. Yeah, close. The sun is killing me right now. Apologize right now. Woo! Sorry, guys. just go for a drive in my Ferrari. No biggie. It's another day. Like all the mods to it, man. Very tasteful mods. It looks really good. What you guys think? Type R comes pretty aggressive already. So, crazy Type R, guys. Ooh, nice black Slam SI right here, 2-door. Yes, sir, guys. Looks like a Civic SI there. So we got the 2 SIs, we got the WRX with the Type R. All right, crazy. Really nice car, guys. BRZ's clean, man. So I guess he has a BRZ and he has the SI too as well. Cool. Thing sounds good, man. What exhaust you have on that? Tommy? Oh, nice. They just double up on the Tommy, or they sell dual like that? Oh,
no, they sell it like that.
They sell it like, oh, okay.
Or they single exit, but
Nice.
Single exit looks weird.
Yeah, true. So you double up on it.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Looks crazy, man. Good job, man. Looks really good. Shee. Tail lights are crazy. Those are not stock, eh? Shh. They look crazy. Yeah, guys, we're out here just waiting. We might end up going to like a meet, so we'll see how it goes. All right, but yeah, man, cars are clean still. The cars are clean. 2 SIs, the Type R, STI. Yeah, man, we out here, man. We out here. Civic content for you guys. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go to this meet, so we'll see what's popping. Pretty much an hour away from home right now. It's mission and trying to get this video for you guys. Full-man crew right now, guys. Type R is coming up on me hard. Damn, I heard that shit like crazy. This meat is going down. Yeah, just at a little meet right now. We're just gonna walk around, see what they got here. All right, let's do it. So I got the right time. They got the Integra over there. Another Type R right here. Yeah. Okay. Another two-door SI right here, guys. Clean, clean. I see. Looks like a carbon fiber hood, yeah. Stock wheels. Oh damn, the Q. Woo. Q's looking clean, guys. Hard to see, but yeah. Q's looking clean. Sitting on the ground right now. Another SI. And the cars with the Christmas lights over here. This lights blinged out.
That's cool. And the LED lights.
Lots of lights. Damn. Check this thing out. Damn, bro.
This is iPad land. Just play Roblox for iPad.
Ooh, got this beamer right here. Man. All the lights. A lot of cars here, guys. I have one, I didn't even wear it, so it's like. See, evil. We're actually looking like, so it's kind of like that. Kind of like that. There's more cars over there. Lots of cars, guys. See, SI. Thing. Oh yeah, the 10th gen SI. Nice wheels. Truck with the too many speakers. Damn. That's a Mustang right here. That's full for sure. Oh yeah, it's tucked and everything. Yeah, he ain't right in like that. See? Got the M3. Oh no, M4. M4. Damn, guys. Future, guys. Future. M4. So sick. So sick. Oh my god. This thing. So clean.
Isn't that on the shirt?
Look at the wheels on this thing. Nice wheels, right? Nice. Oh, crazy. Bags. All these set up nice. All these set up real nice. Clean WRX here. Actually looks cool. Actually looks cool. Wasn't a fan of the newer ones, but it looks good. 35, not bad. Almost hit the bin. Oh shit, that would have been. Yeah, guys, so just here, probably gonna make a move and head home. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video anyway. So you know what it is, Blackjack Special. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See?
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I